People who join newly, please try to collect it. Offline students. And online students, newly joined students, please join this Google Classroom. Okay. Here I will share previous class videos. This is yesterday class videos up to 5 classes. And then the architecture what we have discussed. Okay, including tiffin box also I shared for your easy understanding. Lona? Yeah, guys, please wait. I'm not talking. 1 second. అరవింద్ గారు ప్రొజెక్టర్ పోయిందండి. Okay, guys, online students, don't worry about that WhatsApp chat. Yeah, Sriya Kurum. Nani, speaker sir. Sriya Karmakar, do you have any questions? Yeah, Krushit, yeah, the question you have asked is this. When we click on Flipkart phone page, then it requests to server to process further, right? Phone page means which page you are talking? Home page, okay. Home page, you are talking. Okay. Home page is not same for all, right? Is it fixed always? No, right? Time to time products are changing now. For example, now I'm entering flipkart.com now. Yeah, look at there. Yesterday, what was the mobile we have seen? Inflix. Today, what mobile you are seeing? That means it's a time to time changing now. And next, offers are changing. The products are displaying will be changing. You will not see the same products always. Clear my point? So that's why it will be generated dynamic page by JSP. Okay. And now let's start the class, buddies. So last class we are trying to understand is just core Java knowledge, just Python knowledge sufficient or not? Okay, we come to a conclusion with this architecture. Just Python knowledge is not sufficient, or just core Java knowledge is not sufficient. We need what? Project, full-fledged project we need, right? So to develop this full-fledged project, what we required? We need the additional branch concepts we required. Advanced Java you should learn, and then what? UI database also you should learn. Okay, Kapil, please concentrate on class, leave WhatsApp group and all. That WhatsApp group is nowhere related to us. Okay, that's only for knowing you, giving you information about batches. Clear my point? I'm not going to share any questions there. Please concentrate. Now look at here. If you choose Python, yesterday I have not given a conclusion. If you want to go to Python stream, then Python front page will be HTML following by Django. But 99% of the time, Python will not be used for developing web applications. Maximum 1 or 2 only will be there web applications development by using Python. Okay, Python is not used for web applications development or enterprise applications development. Python is used for what? Data science and machine learning applications development. So Django framework is not popular. Okay, Django framework is not popular in the market. So we have advanced Java and Spring Boot got popular, but Django is not popular. So frameworks, Python will be used as a language. Then following by the stream you have to learn, the full stack stream of Python is not web application development, data science. You have to learn. Next to the Python, you have to learn data science, or next you have to learn what? Machine learning, artificial intelligence side you have to go. Okay, so just for information, I'm telling you. Right. So guys, can you able to hear me? Right. So Python stream will be, if you are choosing Python as your language, you are going to not work on web applications or front-end screens development. You are going to use Python for developing server-side scripts, either data science, machine learning, or cloud computing. Repeating again, cloud computing, like DevOps side, AWS side. You will be used as your knowledge, Python knowledge will be used for developing scripts, server-side scripts for data science development and clients, cloud computing applications development. So we all here wanted to become enterprise applications development or web application development. So we have to learn core Java with what? Front-end application like HTML and Servlet JSP. And then next database following by what? JDBC. So now yesterday I was asking one question and I have stopped in the middle. Let me try to conclude. Yeah, tomorrow onwards, we can have class up to 8. All are you ready for that, right? So tomorrow onwards, we'll have class for 2-hour session. Okay. Look at here. Yesterday, we are trying to see something. Let's say, where is this? I want to buy this Poco mobile today. Yesterday, we bought one mobile. Today, another mobile we are buying. Okay. Now, click on this Poco C55. Then tell me, here we are seeing some price. What is the price we are seeing? 13,999. That is the original price. Now, this original price is available in the database. right? Now, the original price is retrieving from the database and then given to whom now the 21% discount is applied, 3,000 rupees is discounted, and then we are getting 10,999. Is this clear, my point? Now, that is called calculation. That is called business logic development or calculation, where that logic will be written core Java. Now, if you want to write script code, if you want to develop, what will be used? Python will be used. Okay. Now, my question is, the calculation, the percentage calculation will be, is it Java or is it maths? Come on, everyone should answer. The percentage calculation will be Java or maths? Maths. Let me give you an example. Now tell me, your body is running because of bones, because of nerves, because of blood, or because of heart? Come on. What is the main part of your body? Heart. If heart is not working, body will work? No. Then what body is doing? It is providing a cover to all your internal organs to work properly, right? Connect and work properly. Body is giving some, I can say like backbone or some base it is providing. Similarly, one point you have to realize, programming languages, you take C or C++, Java, .NET, Python, any programming language you take, it is providing a skeleton. Your body is a skeleton for connecting all the organs together and make this body to work. So, programming languages are providing skeleton for running mathematical formulas by using a computer. All people understand? Let me give you an example. Give me a practical example. What the meaning of skeleton here? Now, again, I am taking the program. Okay. Now, I am taking file, new. Look at here, C++ program I am taking. Look at there. What is the skeleton of C++ program? Nothing but program template of the C++ program. Hash include, main, printf, return 0. Then whatever the mathematical calculation you want to do, that math calculation you are writing between line number 5 to line number 7 between you are writing. All are catch my point? Right. First class I told addition logic, right? Now, I am taking Java program, new, then following by what? Java. Look at that. Java program skeleton is what? Class, main method, SOPLN. Then, whatever the mathematical calculation you want to do, that mathematical calculation formulas and variables, everything you are writing between line number 4 to line number 6 between. Everyone understand? Then, finally, you come to a conclusion what? One programming language to another programming language, mathematical formulas are changing or not changing? Not changing. What is changing? Skeleton is changing. So tell me, from my body to your body, what is changing? Internal parts are changing? No. What is changing? Outside appearance is changing. Yes or no? Right? You take any person in this world, the skeleton is what? Changing, but internal parts are what? Same. Of course, blood group will be different. Okay, na? Right? Don't ask me how sir everything same. Some differences will be there. Okay. Then now the point what you have to understand here, you should be more focused. If you want to be the best programmer, you should be strong in programming language or you should be strong in mathematics. Come on, think. You want to be a best programmer, then you should be strong in programming language and mathematics. You are wrong thinking. I have given you just an point. Tell me, you want to be a specialist, then you should be understand skeleton of the body, of organs of the body. What is the organs I am telling? Maths. That's where students are doing a big mistake. People are thinking in a wrong way. Let me tell you. You go to Amazon company for interview, Oracle company for interview, Microsoft company for interview, Flipkart to interview. Any product-based company, if you want to attend interview, why the companies are more focusing on data structures and algorithms? Why not particular programming language? Why everybody is saying, asking, sir, data structures, algorithms covered as part of this course, sir. No one is asking how much depth I will teach core Java language. They're asking what? Data structures and algorithms covered. What is the meaning of data structures and algorithms? That is where you are learning cues, mathematical, logic development, common sense you are learning. Are you following my point? So, where you should be more strong, be a fresher or experienced person, if you want to come to IT industry, you should be more strong in maths. Auna. In my childhood, maths, I have chichu, right? Then now again you are asking me to learn what maths, and I'm getting fear. How much maths you require as a Java developer? You need 5th class maths to 10th class maths. That's it. If you want to be a Python developer, you should have knowledge from 5th class to BTech last statistics. Are you catching? Right. But Java developer, 5th class to 10th class mathematics is sufficient. That maths is called arithmetics. Remember? Arithmetics, algebra, something is there. Gundigabra, something. Right? Algebra, you have to read. We call it as what? Aptitude. Reasoning and algebra knowledge is required. So, if you attend any IT industry exam, any IT industry interview, the first round will be what? Aptitude round will be there. If you pass that exam, then you will be further asking what? Language questions and programming questions will be asking. So, why the mathematics knowledge is required? You take any business, this project to develop we required, the template, program template is required, but inside program, as part of the program, we are doing what? Mathematical calculations only. All are catching my point? So the mathematical calculations to do, you need what? Lot of programming, mathematical knowledge. So that mathematical knowledge is the first skill you should acquire. All are catching my point? So now I am going to give you some conclusions. All people be focused. So as a student, as a IT student, first you should be strong in aptitude and reasoning. So that aptitude and reasoning is called problem solving skills. What we call problem solving skills. If I give one problem, okay, for example, now I wanted to find factorial of a given number, or I want to find given number palindrome or not. Such kind of mathematical, problem solving skills, if you want to acquire, you should be strong in arithmetics and reasoning. Second, tell me now. Now, this mathematical formula, you have to directly do that mathematical calculation with your brain and hands manually or programmatically by using computer. Programmatically by using computer, right? Then if you want to do programmatically by using computer, can computer understand our English? No. Computer requires some programming terminology. For that, one programming language is required. Okay, listen carefully. Converting one mathematical formula as a program to do those calculation by computer is called logical programming. What we call? Logical programming. So first you should understand, you should acquire problem solving skills. So what is the problem and what is the solution? I mean, what is the formula I should use, or what is the algorithm I should follow? The problem required algorithm and formula for solving this problem. That's entire skill understanding is called what? Problem solving skills. Second, to convert this algorithm, manual calculation, and then applying that formula on this manual calculation as a program, that conversion is called what? Logical programming skills. Are you catching my point? So how many skills you should acquire? 2 skills. Number 1, problem solving skills, and number 2, what? Logical programming skills. Listen, now this logical program, you are performing this calculation for the 10th, for the number 13,999. Yes or no? You are finding 21% discount of 13,999. So now this calculation is just for one number, or this calculation for one product? Come on, understand and reply. You are doing the calculation just for one number, random number, or one product? One product price you are doing the calculation. All are catching? You are doing the calculation for one product price. That's style of program. The same mathematical formula you are applying and doing the calculation for one business product. Then the style of program is called what? Object-oriented programming. All are catching my point? So repeat once again. If you wanted to perform, if you want to develop one program to perform one validation or calculation, how many skills you should have? 3 skills you should have. Number 1, problem solving skills. As part of problem solving skills, what knowledge you are acquiring? You are acquiring, okay, taking one formula and preparing the steps. Step 1, what should I do? Step 2, what I should do? Step 3, what should I do? During these steps, what are the different formulas I should use? That understanding is called what? Problem solving skills. Then once you prepare manual calculation, this manual calculation should be done by whom? Computer. For that, we need to write one program. That program is called what? Logical programming skills. Before, computers are not just for data storing purpose. When computers are just using for a data storing purpose, just computers are using for some small mathematical calculations. Now just logical programming knowledge is sufficient. But once the computers are started using for business operations to do, the existing logical programming skills are not sufficient. Now we should tell to computer, hello Mr. Computer, perform this percentage calculation for this particular mobile price 13,999. So how can I tell that this calculation, this number is the price of this product? You do the calculation for this product price. How can I tell? That is where a new style of programming came into market called what? Object oriented programming. So first you should get what knowledge? Problem solving skills. Next, what knowledge you should get? Logical programming. Third, what knowledge you should get? Object oriented programming. All are catching? If you know these 3 skills, if you acquire these 3 skills, then you can claim yourself as I am a programmer. I can write a program to perform the calculation by the computer. All you guys understand? Right. Then tell me, by using these program 3 skills, I develop a program. Then to run this program, I need input or not? I develop a program to do calculation of one product percentage calculation. Then what is the price? What is the percentage you want? Okay, what is the price? 13,999. What the percentage? 21%. Then what is the formula? I know. And then now what is the result? I know everything I'm generating. Then if you want to run this program, I need inputs. Who will give me inputs? For that one screen is required or not? That screen is called what? UI. How can we develop UI? By using HTML. That is called UI programming skills. What skills we call it as? UI programming skills. So you have to develop one UI for the user to enter his values to our program. Then now UI is ready. Through the UI and user giving values to our program doing the calculation. Then tell me, further the generated inputs and outputs must store permanently in the database or not? That means what knowledge I require? Database programming knowledge. So if you wanted to become a programmer, minimum how many skills required? Number 1, problem solving skills. Number 2, logical programming skills. Number 3, object oriented programming skills. Number 4, UI programming and database programming. By acquiring these 5 skills, then you can say, yes, I am a full-fledged programmer. But there is a small problem. What is that? If you develop a UI and object oriented program database, then this project become internet application or this project become standalone application? Standalone application, right? The UI cannot travel through the network to the client computer. Client computer given input cannot travel through the network to server computer. So to travel the data via network, I need one connector program. That connector program is what? Server-side programming. What the connector program? Server-side programming. UI is what? Client-side program. Client-side is running, collect the input. Then when the data is sent to the server-side one program must be there to take that inputs or not? The technique is called what? Server-side programming. Repeat once again. What are the skills you require to acquire? 6 skills. Last class I told you 6 skills you require to become a full-fledged full-stack developer. Number 1, problem solving skills, logical programming skills, object oriented programming skills, database programming skills, UI programming skills, and one word, server side programming skills. These are the 6 skills you should acquire. Now let me try to run the slide. Yeah, online students, is my voice is giving problem? Is my voice breaking? If my voice is breaking means there is a problem at your end. Check your end first, okay, before sending message to me. So I'm using good broadband. So there is no problem my end. So in last class, we have concluded our target is what? Becoming full stack developer. To become full stack developer, what are the skills required? Number one, problem solving skills. Tell me, if I say problem solving skills with example, is your mind giving information? Finding mathematical calculation is nothing but what? Problem solving skills. Next, logical programming skills. Logical programming skills means what? I have to write a program. In that program, I have to write the logic, right? I have to write a program. In the program here, I should write what? The logic, mathematical calculation, finding percentage of given number, finding percentage of given number. Okay. Now writing a program for this is nothing but what? Logical programming. Okay, nice. Then now that logical programming you want to perform for one product, then that is called what? Object oriented programming. Okay. Then now once you learn these three skills, you can develop a program. But this program required what? Inputs, and it should store the data in database. For that, first what I required? Database programming. Then next what I should learn? UI programming. Now if I learn these three, listen carefully. Here totally how many parts are there? 3 parts. Okay, Vivek Kumar, I am not here to give you answers to your questions. Clear? This is not question and answer session. So listen what I am telling. End of the class, you will get full clarity. Clear? Don't disturb the class in the middle by posting the questions. End of the class, you can post if I don't answer your question. Clear? And don't post same question again and again. I am seeing your questions. So now tell me, problem solving skills, logical programming skills, and object oriented programming skills. These three is one group where we are developing program. Then following by next what we learn? Database program. Then next what we learn? UI program. Now please try to go back to our architecture, previous architecture. Quickly let us try to understand our architecture. Realme RMX 3392. By joining WhatsApp group, what will you do, buddy? Now tell me, this is your project. The project is having how many minimum components? 3. First one is what? UI. Second one is? Third one is? Wonderful, super. Now, here programming, if you want to develop programming, how many skills required? 3. Problem solving skills, logical programming skills, object oriented programming skills. With these 3 programming skills, we will develop complete program. Then now to run this program, I need inputs. That inputs, I am taking what? UI. This UI will contain how many parts I told you? Forms and reports. Forms and reports. Now next, in order to store the data permanently, I need what? Database. This is a database. This is what? Program. And now tell me, buddy. Now, if I develop these 3 parts, then end user enter the data to UI forms. How the data can be submitted to programming? Programming has inputs, output. How that can be submitted to the database to store? That is where we need what? Some connectors. Okay, now we need what? Connectors. That connectors is nothing but server-side programming, and database interacting programming. So what is server-side programming, database interacting programming? That we have to get conclusion now. So sixth course what you have to do, or sixth skill what you need to get? Server-side programming. Clear my point? By learning these 6 courses, you completed your full-fledged project. Is it sufficient or anything more required? Think. Is it sufficient or anything more required? By learning these 6 courses, can I develop complete project? Yes. Yes, sir. Into what else remaining? End user to forms. forms to server, servlet to core Java to database, JDB to database, end user data full-fledged going to database or not? So complete project we developed or not? Yes. Now let me ask you one simple example. There are two types of shirts are there. The best example for you understand. Tomorrow morning you have a one party. You need one new clothes, one pair of new clothes. Then you go to one tailor, buy one cloth, 1 meter, 2 meters of cloth. Go to tailor and ask him to stitch shirt by tomorrow. Possible? In one day, can we give you the shirt? No. He will take minimum 1 week time, right? Even though he is not that much busy, but creating a scene that he is busy, right? Tell me, do you have ready-made shirts? Can you go to any ready-made shop and get the shirt within half an hour? Then tell me, which is fast, which is good? Stitching shirt or ready-made shirt? Stitching shirt means what? You are doing manual. Everything now you are doing from zero. Ready-made shirt means what? Everything is stitched, everything ready. Just you go and use it. Am I right or wrong? Tell me, you want what type of? Application? Newly developing application you want or ready-made applications you want? Newly developing applications are. Newly developing applications will take long time to complete or not? If you are developing project from zero level, then taking lot of time to complete the project or not? You want everything you want to develop newly or you want ready-made? Come on, expecting answer from everyone. Why you are seeing my face seriously, Rabav? After giving example also, if you are not answering and coming classes, you'll torture me. Arey Babu Re, you have voice, Rabav, you can speak. I'm giving two options. Give me one answer. Which type of applications you are expecting? Slow developing applications or fast developing applications? Fast developing means you have to start developing the entire project from zero or you want ready-made programs? If I have ready-made programs, I can attach immediately and I can use or not? Okay. Tell me, we have metro, that metro bridge constructed where? On that road? No, right? Only pillars are constructed there. Then that bridge is constructed on the road or ready-made, prepared and coming and attaching? Ready-made, prepare and taking and attaching. Nowadays, big buildings are constructing within months. How? Because ready-made pillars, ready-made walls, everything is there. Just bringing and attaching there. Are you catching my point? Olden days, you have cement, right? Cement, once you construct the wall, you have to wait for that cement to become strong. Dry, and then sticking there. Minimum 1 week you have to wait. Remember? But now we got a kind of chemical cement. Within fraction of minutes, it will become dry and sticking. Do you know it? So tell me, people are liking test match or 2020 match? Test match jamana gone. 2020, okay? Start, end. Ante. Our course also. And start within 1 week, end. If I complete core Java in 1 week, abbo, you feel so crazy. Abba, wonderful faculty, excellent faculty. How much is subject depth teaching? Nobody care. Only what? When start, when end. Ante, end only. Your target is completing ante. Then finally your career also completed. Get a job, thrown out within weeks. Okay, now come back to the subject. Very, very, very important. Software industry day by day changing a lot. New technologies, new frameworks, new tools are emerging in the market day by day for providing ready-made applications for fast development. So tell me, if I take now Flipkart application, please try to understand 2 to 3 examples I want to give you so that you will get clarity. Now, let me take flipkart.com. Look at this page, this front page you observe. Now, let me go to Amazon. Amazon.in. Now, observe, let's say, trending here. Where is mobile? Mobile. Okay, look at this front screen and look at this flipkart.com front screen. Go back. Main page, come to home page. Ayo. Now look at that. This home page of Flipkart, home page of Amazon, almost looking same or not? Tell me. Only colors are different. Correct my point? Look at there. This Neo 600 something. Open it. Look at there. This mobile data displaying page and Poco 55 data displaying page. Almost both are looking same or not? What is the difference? Only colors. Amazon black and white screen. Flipkart is what? A blue and yellow screen something. Tell me. In every project, this design, the page design required HTML tags and all. I should write, you should write, everyone should write or not? How much amount of time I am spending in Flipkart page development? Same amount of time I have to spend for Amazon also. Flipkart to Amazon, what is changing? Just data is changing, but the page writing background code is same or not? Then what you suggest me? You want me to write from zero, scratch, or you want me to use ready-made technologies? That ready-made technologies are called frameworks. Okay, na? For example, you take one newly constructed house, live-in space, you know, some interior designers are there. So what they're doing, they are taking the measurements of your house walls and all in their what do you call a factory. They're preparing the boxes and taking the box and, you know, sticking to your wall, arranging to fixing to your wall. Yes or no? That boxes are called ready-made things. That ready-made boxes in Java or in Python is called what? Framework. A predefined projects which are reusable for every project development. Repeating again, a predefined project which can be used for our projects development is called what? Framework. So framework is a language? No. Framework is a project developed by using one language that can be reusable for multiple projects for developing their functionality fast within the hours or within the days. Are you catching my point? Why Java is this much popular? Still, even though we have a lot of competition from other languages, why Java still running in the market? It's not because of language Java. It is because of the frameworks available in Java. We have powerful frameworks. Okay, we have super frameworks called Hibernate is there, Spring is there, Spring Boot is there. You know, Java still running in the market, not because of the language Java, because of the frameworks we have around Java, which make our projects development fast and easy. These frameworks are not available in other languages. That's why they are not running in the market to develop enterprise application. So tell me, what is the other skill also we should acquire? Tell me, nowadays projects are developing from the scratch zero? No, everything developing but fast. So we should also learn fast development skills also. So totally, if you want to come to IT industry, how many skills you require? I can say, what are the software engineer skills? A software engineer skills totally what? 7. You should start learning from where? Problem solving skills, and then logical programming, object oriented programming, database programming, UI server side, and fast development. Then now my question, sir, where I can learn these skills? What are the courses? The courses are what? Number 1. In Amirpet, this problem solving skills or aptitude course is called what? CRT. What the full form of CRT? Campus Recruitment Training. Campus Recruitment Training. I hope in your colleges also, last semester conducting 1 week classes or 10 days classes by charging 10,000, 20,000. Remember? You know all the secrets, no? Right? So finally, year before campus placement, definitely one trainer will come. Morning to evening, 8 hours, he will take 1 week. Aptitude course will be, CRT course will be completed. What he learn ante? I don't know. Okay, then what you do? Come to Amirpet again, join for CRT course. Right? Then CRT. Then next listen. Logical programming, you can learn in Java. But if you want full-fledged depth logical programming, then you should go for what? C and data structure. Again repeating. This logical programming skills you will also get in core Java. Okay, I will also teach logical programming. No, sir, I want 2 depths logical programming. So many programs I want to learn. I need some trainer to train me on logical programming. Then join C language, and after that data structures language you have to join. So if you learn C and data structures, then company applications development will be so easy, and also you can target product-based companies, big MNC product-based companies also you can target. Then object-oriented programming is our course, core Java. Then database programming course for Java people Oracle, for Python people MySQL, okay, and .NET people SQL Server. You have to join which course? Oracle. Then in Oracle, there are two parts are there, sir. Number one, database administration, database programming. We don't want to become DBA, database administrator. We want to become database programmer. Then you have to learn the language SQL and PL by SQL. SQL, PL by SQL. Just you join Oracle course, faculty will teach both. Some students are asking me question, sir, just SQL knowledge is sufficient? No, you must also have PL SQL knowledge also you must have. Then UI programming skills, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Nowadays, as part of HTML course, you are also learning Bootstrap also. Bootstrap is the framework for CSS. Are you catching? Right? HTML, then following by CSS. CSS framework is what? Bootstrap. Bootstrap also you are learning. And then JavaScript. Then following by server-side programming. Server-side programming is what? Advanced Java, JDBC, servlet, JSP. People are calling it as a servlets. People are calling as a JSPs. There is no plural, don't pronounce. JDBC, technology name is what? Servlet, singular. JSP, singular. Server, Java server pages or Java server page. Okay. Then fast development is nothing but frameworks, tools and design patterns. So these are the complete your full stack development. I am not talking full stack Java. I'm talking about what? Full stack development. Sir, I am a Python. I joined Python, sir. My Python faculty told me, just learn Python, you will get a job. Then Java is this much huge version, whereas my Python is just Python. That's a misguiding you guys. People remember. Core Java place what is coming? Python. Just by using Python, you cannot survive in the market. Maybe you got the job. Even with core Java also, maybe you will get the job. But after getting job in the company projects development, you are writing core Java program. You are writing Python scripts as part of framework. That framework is what? Spring in Java. For Python is data science and machine learning. So their core Java, Python, Oracle is MySQL, HTML, CSS, Java required for those people also. Advanced Java and frameworks place you are learning data science and machine learning. Then only you can survive in the company as a Python developer. You can survive as a Java developer if you learn all. Can I expect all the people got clarity on what you have to learn? So target of today class, the agenda of today class is giving you complete clarity on different courses you have to learn to become full stack developer. So day 6. Roadmap to full stack developer and different courses. Okay. Now, so finally, these are the 6 skills you have to learn. Okay. Then now look at here. What are the complete list of courses you have to do? What are the courses you must learn? You must learn courses. First one is what, sir? Come on. First course, CRT. CRT is what? Arithmetic and reasoning. Second course, what? Third course, core Java. Come on. Oracle. Next. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then advanced Java shouting. Now you stopped. Okay. Now advanced Java is coming. Okay. Advanced Java, JDBC, servlet and JSP. Clear? Then if you learn these 6 courses, can I develop full-fledged project end to end? Yes. But everything you have to write from zero. From the scratch, you have to develop. Project development taking so much of the time. That's why we have to learn what? Frameworks. Tell me, frameworks are available only for Java? No. Frameworks are available for UI also. So what are the frameworks for Java? Spring and Hibernate. Okay, Spring and Hibernate. What the framework for HTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS3 and Bootstrap? What is the framework for JavaScript? Angular or React? So now the market is running on what? React. So better learn React. and Angular with some YouTube help, you learn by your own, but join for the course called what? React. Then tell me, if you learn frameworks, Hibernate, Spring, Angular, can I develop my full-fledged project? Yes. So with these courses, you can complete full-fledged project, latest technology. With latest technology, you can develop. But there is a small problem, sir. Listen carefully, all the people. I develop my project Amazon by using which language? Java, HTML, full-fledged full stack. By using full stack, I develop my Amazon project. Also, I have developed, Flipkart. Also, I have developed PhonePe. So like that, there are so many projects developed. Then tell me, customer is buying some products on Amazon. He has to do online payment. Na? Payment is then by using Amazon or by using bank project. Come on, everyone. Bank project. Bank project is also developed by using Java. Okay. Assume that Flipkart is developed by using .NET language. Which language? .NET. Assume. Okay. And next, now you take Instagram. All the people know Instagram. Instagram is developed by using Instagram. All you know now. What nonsense question? Sorry. Right. You are experts in Instagram, no? Right. So Instagram is developed by using which language? No, Python. Using Python. On Instagram, some ads are running. Tell me, the ads are running for free of cost. We have to do payment, right? Then the customer is interacting with the .NET project, interacting with what? Python project. He has to do some payment. The project may be Java project. He has to interact with what? Bank. Or maybe .NET project should interact with what? Bank. Or maybe Python project must interact with what? Bank project. Tell me, one project won't interact with what? Another project. Clearly, I'm giving you one terminology. Please carefully observe. He is what? Customer. Customer to one business. Yes or no? Customer to business, one application is there. This application showing the different functionality of my project to the customer. By seeing that functionality, by clicking, is doing by under sales operation. Customer to business, one interaction is there. If you want to develop customer to business application, only one language is sufficient: Java or .NET or Python. But now try to understand now. Try to understand now. Java is a develop one business application. Amazon is a one business application. Bank application is also one business application or not? Tell me. To this bank application, with this bank application, customer is interacting or another application is interacting? Another application is interacting. All are catching my point? There are two levels of interaction is there. Customer to application interaction. Application to application interaction. That means business to business interaction. How an application can talk to another application? How your mobile talking to another mobile? Through tower. Yes or no? Through tower. Now tell me, that tower is required or not? How I am talking to you? Through Naresh IT, through Zoom. That tower, can I say this tower like this? Okay, na? This tower is one course called Web Services. What course? Nowadays, people are calling it as RESTful services. What we call? RESTful services. So there are two, there is another course you have to learn: web services or RESTful services. All the people has to realize what courses you have to learn. If you don't learn those courses, what problem you are going to face? Are you catching my point? Tell me now, if you don't learn web services or RESTful services, can you develop your bank application interacting with another applications? Tell me, in nowadays, every project have a payment mode background, online payment. Without web services, if you got a job, can we survive in the company? No. So what is the other course you have to learn? XML, web services, or JSON, REST API. Olden days, XML is there. Nowadays, people are using what? JSON. Web services, olden days use. Nowadays, what you are using? REST API. XML web services, Jamana almost over. Now the in place of the JSON RESTful API coming. So tell me, what is the 8th course you have to learn? XML web services. Okay, tell me. Now, by using these 8 courses, if you learn, not only we are developing one complete full-fledged application, you are creating 2 applications, connection also. Everyone understand? Right. So you can develop customer to business application. Also, you can develop business to business application. Also, you can develop. Okay. Now I have a question, sir. Everyone should understand this point. Very, very important. Tell me, every day, in this project, Amazon project, lot of changes or requirements are coming or not? Either new functionality or existing functionality changing. Lot of new requirements are coming. According to new requirement, the project background code is changing. Am I right? Now, every time when the background code is changing, then I have to compile it. I have to do one operation called what? Compile it. And I have to execute. I have to test. I have to generate some reports. Lot of small operations I have to do. In addition to developing the project, I need to do what? Lot of other activities. Arey yaar, tell me, you want to get ready. Okay. In addition to doing bathing and wearing the clothes, you should apply makeup also, na? Hey, come on. No, Ray. Every dog has a day. Don't worry, okay? When you fall in love, then you're searching for what? Makeup, beauty parlors, a lot of things you will find. Okay? As of now, because you didn't fall in love, makeup is not required. Yes or no? Hey, brother, correct? Correct or no? Fall in love already? Yevar jeevitam baravata. Okay? Gone. Okay. So now come out from as early as possible. Okay, now? Hey, I want to ask you one question. Ready? Yeah? Unfortunately, if you got breakup, 99% pakka breakup hai. Okay, na? Right. Unfortunately, either boy or girl, okay, I'm talking all the people, okay, not only girl. Don't feel that girls only break up. Nasty plus boys also will get breakup, okay? Okay, now tell me, unfortunately, if you got breakup, will you commit suicide? Don't commit suicide. Okay, na? Next, remember, very important point I'm telling you, okay? Maybe YouTube live also there, may people feel bad, okay? But real I'm saying this is very important. Unfortunately, if you got breakup, definitely your heart will be broken like anything, and a big tsunami will come. Okay, na? Now, in that big tsunami, you have to hold, okay? You keep on telling, all is well, all is well. Okay, na? Right? When you are getting too much feeling to cry, cry. Definitely will cry, okay? Don't in room, okay? If you are there in the room and crying there, after 5 minutes, fan will ask, come. Okay, na? Fan, you keep on going into deep depression. Okay, past life you are trying to, visualize, and you are feeling the lot of missing, and you have already lot of dreams in the future also. All your dreams are got broken. Then your fan is, only one fan is asking, come on, waiting for you. I am your new lover, come on. Nana, don't be in the room alone. You will definitely have your old friend, your new friend, na? Definitely you have a friend, right? Boyfriend or girlfriend, or right? Definitely friend, not that girlfriend, okay? Friend, normal friend is there. Always stay with your friend and call to your parents, okay? And focus on your career. Okay, na? Move on. Focus on your career. Definitely, your actual life partner will come next. Are you catching my point? Seriously, I'm telling. Until your God-designed life partner not coming, lot of people will come and go. You have to accept it. Okay, na, brother? So, serious, I'm telling. Come back. Okay. So what is the point now? Listen. Now, okay, a lot of stories are there. I will tell you coming this. Not only Java, okay, a lot of stories are there. I will tell you. Then now come on. Now this end user to business application we have, customer to business application, business to business application we develop. As part of our daily activities, there are so many activities we have to do. To do all these small activities, ready-made small softwares are there. That ready-made small softwares are technically called tools. What we call tools. Nowadays in Amirpet, those tools are calling as what? DevOps tools. Development and operations tool. Development and operations tools are calling. Java people, Python people, every language developer has to learn some tools specific to that language. So we Java people also should learn some tools are there. Around 10-15 tools are small, 1 hour concept is there. So your advanced Java faculty, Spring faculty will teach you those tools on Sundays or Saturdays. Okay, right. So now finally, if you learn only up to the 8 courses, is it possible to complete our project development? Yes. But daily our activities to do, I require some more concepts also required, that also we are learning as part of our full stack. And finally, we all should also learn what? Something called design patterns. Sir, how many are there, sir? What is this nonsense? I came here to learn only core Java. Okay, but you are keep on adding many branches. What is this nonsense? I am not creating any nonsense. I am telling you truth. I am showing you the actual things what you have to learn. Are you following? Is it good or bad? I should hide everything and cheat you and keep on, putting in a feeling that just to core Java will you get job, just to core Java will you get job. I should not keep you in that dilemma. Wrong thought process. You want best career, happy career, 6 months you have to work hard by learning all these courses. And there is no other option. No, these many I cannot. Yeah, in your school and college, how many subjects you study? Tell me. When you go to school, every subject has 3 books, right? Classwork, homework, textbook, non-detail. OMO. How many books? If you take English, grammar book, composition book, that book, this book. Okay, right? So there are so many books we are studying. Are you getting any confusion that time? No, because you don't have choice. You have to study because you have to pass exam. Same thing. There is no choice. You have to study. You want career? You want job? You want lakhs of rupees as a salary? 2 options I am giving. You want just thousands of rupees, 10,000 per month as a salary? Nonsense. All this is not required to learn. No. I want happy life, rich life. I want lakhs of rupees as a salary per month. Then you have to learn all these courses. How many days I have to work hard? 6 months. As a fresher, 6 months. As an experience, 1 year. No doubt. You want to get job as an experience, na? When you go to company, you claim, I have 2 years of experience. I can develop anything. When a project manager giving task, if you don't write code, then people will look at you and laugh. No, that's why 1 year of hard work is required. So if you want experiencer person as experiencer person job, if you are trying with a fake experience, you have to learn these courses for 1 year. You have to practice. How to practice, what to practice, everything we will guide you. Don't worry. Okay, I am there to guide you. As a fresher, that much deep knowledge is not required on frameworks and web services. Okay, up to 6 concepts, up to 5. Advanced have also that much depth nowadays not required. Up to 5 courses. I actually speaking up to 4 courses. Too much depth knowledge you should have. And these 4 courses, anything ask, you should show your talent. Remaining courses, if just tell definition, 1 or 2 questions also, if you are not answering, doesn't matter much. After getting job in the company, you can learn more. But as an experienced person, full-fledged you have to learn. So tell me, what is the meaning of design patterns? Girls, I hope you know Rangavallis. Sankranti time, your mother is drawing Rangavali in front of your house, na? Tell me, those Rangavalis are drawing directly? No. Now on a paper, first practicing with what? Some stars placing and connecting them in a good design, na? That stars are nothing but what? Design patterns. While developing the project, listen, sir, listen. While developing the project, we have 21 problems are there. Industry experts are identified. There are 21 problems, reoccurring problems. First project, second project, third project, fourth project. You take every project of Java, .NET, Python, every project is facing commonly 21 problems are there. For all these 21 problems, solutions are given by the expert. The list of problems and solutions are people are calling what? Design patterns. So we must follow these design patterns while writing the code for that project, all the 21 problems. So the 21 problems are nothing but design patterns. As a fresher, even you don't learn also not a problem. But as an experienced person, if you're trying job, compulsory you should learn design patterns, Roy. If you say, Chi, I never work on the design pattern. If you say an experience, people ask, Namaskaram, okay? Then you go, not required. So design patterns will be more focused in the interview for experienced people. So these 10 courses are mandatory for experienced people. And once these 10 courses completed, finally, I am requesting you all do one real-time project. Develop one full-fledged end-to-end project by using all these courses in your project so that you have full confidence and hands-on experience. Then if you go to the job, if you go to company job, then easily you can develop any task in a good manner. By following good standards, you can develop. As an experienced person, you have to learn all these 11 courses. For fresher, to get the job, to start working with the job, these 6 courses are mandatory. For fresher, remaining courses are essential. If you learn, you will be safe side. If you don't learn, in the company you are going to face some problem. Okay, guys. So got some idea what courses you have to do, why you have to do? Come on, all people tell me. These courses, these 3 courses for what? Program development, for programming. This course is for what? Database programming. This course is for what? UI development. Listen careful and answer. Advanced Java course for server-side programming for connecting core Java to Oracle, core Java to HTML for connecting them. Then now advanced Java, if you learn and develop the project, so much of the time taking. For fast development, what we have to learn? Frameworks. By learning this advanced place framework, we can develop full-fledged project. But I need business-to-business application connection. For that, what we required? XML web services. While developing project, after a developing project, daily I have to do so many small activities. For that, what we required? Java tools. And while developing project, I should follow best practices to develop the project. For that, I require design patterns. For getting experience of project development by using all these courses, I have to do one real-time project. So this is our full stack Java, what you calling an repeat. There are 2 ways of doing full stack Java. You can go individual courses or you can join one course called full stack Java. In full stack Java, I don't think so you will get all these courses. These courses are not there as part of full stack. Okay, as part of frameworks also, you are going to learn only what? Spring Boot, you are not going to learn. You have to join separate courses. So now you do proper inquiry, either individual courses you are going on joining or full stack Java course you are joining, up to you. People who are looking for job as a fake experienced person, means, you are already have some gap, and with that gap you want to come to the company, don't join full stack Java. Are you following? For fresher, you can choose full stack Java, your wish. But as an experienced person, if you are getting job, you must choose each course individually and join. Don't join full stack Java. Don't ask more than that. Okay? Right. So now I want to give conclusion finally. Last slide. This is the last but one. Finally, you got what are the courses I have to learn. Then immediate question you are getting, sir, what is the order I have to do these courses? Okay, na brother? Final slide. Are you ready for that? What are the order I have to do these courses? Tell me, how many of you have already completed academics and waiting for the job? Academics completed and waiting for the job. Come on, raise your hand. Why you are looking side person, Swami? You raise your hand. Why you are worrying about other people? 2022, 23 also. 23 passed out, 22 passed out earlier. Okay. How many people are still college going students? Oh, super. So many are there. Okay, first year or second year? How many people here first year student, BTech first year, MCA first year? No one. Wow. Second year? Excellent. At least now you woke up. Super. Third year, fourth year. Okay, good. Now the plan I am giving. The plan I am giving is now for the people who completed academics. Okay, na? The plan I am giving for the students who completed academics and waiting for the job. Next, how many of you are here to continue Java full stack? I mean to say Java career you want, Java development career. How many people are here? All? Okay, anybody here want to go other code, just Java and then testing side, Selenium? 1, 2, 3. Okay. I mean, testing or Hadoop or, some other field. Now the plan what I am giving, Java development side, people who want to come, for them this path. People who want to go Selenium or Hadoop or Pega, other tools if you wanted to learn, only core Java sufficient, buddy. Don't learn other courses. Core Java, then further what? Selenium. Core Java, Hadoop. Core Java, Pega, like that. Okay, na? And next, people who are going to college, only learn core Java, don't learn other courses. Are you following? As of now, only focus on core Java. People who completed your academics and waiting for the job, follow this pattern strictly. Listen. How many courses per day you have to do? What is your plan? 1 course per day? Multiple courses per day? There are some students are the lazy idiots. I can call them as idiots. Okay, lazy people are there. Abbo 1 course very bigger for 24 hours of the time you join only 1 course, and how much time you are wasting, and you are blaming me in return. You taking more time to complete course. Remaining time, what are you doing? Sleeping in the room? Listen. Now, if you go back to your project, sir, quickly understand, sir. Go back to your project. How many parts are there? 3 parts. First one is what? UI. Second one is what? Programming. Third one is what? Tell me. Are these 3 courses have any prerequisites? No. UI. Programming. Database. There are no prerequisites. All are individual. Okay, na? Tell me. Pillars I wanted to construct. Pillars are having any prerequisite? No. Gone? Wonderful. Online students, please wait for 2 minutes. Projector stopped. Arvind garu, projector అయిపోయింది. Babu, KK Creations, yeah, you can learn React JS. If you want web application development side, KK Creations. Stop sending message. I am seeing, why these many times you are sending? Oh my God. Yeah, React JS, you can learn mobile application development, Python script side, okay? I don't recommend testing side. I want you guys come to development only, so that more, what do you call, you will get good salary, good package, okay? Yeah, Rune King, you can try as experienced developer, okay? Yeah, Murgesh Patel, you can learn web full stack development, main stack you can learn. There are good opportunities are there. Yeah, Hari Krishna Kote, what is your question, man? I didn't find. Can you please post again? Yeah, Mahesh, you can learn Hadoop with Java. KK Creations, for Python, there is no roadmap, man. Python, then data science and machine learning. Both are good. Murugesh, full stack Java also has a good opportunity. Java full stack also has good opportunity. Rune King, learn Java full stack and try with experience. Arey, it's a Sachin. That's what I'm saying, man. How to learn Java full stack? I am telling the same. Today class is related to that one only. Okay. How to join? There is a link in a description. Zoom link is there, right? Use that and join. Ahmad, Java is best. I don't recommend Python. Python knowledge is required, but I don't recommend Python. Rune King, I already told you 2022 passed out. You can try with experience. Okay. Learn all courses what I mentioned here. Web services is a technology. Web server is a server that run web services. Okay. Web application is a application that is run by web server. రాజు వస్తున్నాడు టైం అయిపోయింది Nigam Nayak, join online classes, man, if you cannot come Hyderabad. Yeah, there are so many consultancies, man. Search in Google. Okay. Okay, guys, shall we connect tomorrow? Because projector got, crashed. Yeah, tomorrow onwards, we will have class up to 8. Okay, na? Please get ready. Have some good chai, strong chai, and come to the class, or eat some tiffin and come. Okay, na? Small snacks. Because 2 hours you have to spend in the class. You need some good energy. Okay, na? Buddy, hello. See you tomorrow. Good night. Yeah, YouTube live attending students, please join tomorrow also. I'll give conclusion tomorrow. Okay. Please join tomorrow. I will answer to your questions tomorrow. Tomorrow class is doubts sessions. Okay. Tomorrow class is full stack development roadmap and clearing all your doubts. Clear? Join tomorrow 6 o'clock sharp. Thank you. Yeah. Online attending students. Payment I will let you know tomorrow, buddy. Don't worry, okay? Yeah, tomorrow after class you can proceed with the payments. For Java, DSA without C with C. Yeah, I suggest you learn DSA with Java, not C with DS. KK Creations. Python with React.js, I don't know how you are linking them. Python is not meant for developing web applications. Okay. Backend, Python will not be used for developing backend applications. Backend applications should be done either by using Java or .NET. Okay. Python for data science. You go data science side. Not required, Pawan Kumar. Testing side don't choose. Yeah, BCon 2023. See, 2023 you passed out fresher, right? On BCom there are no jobs. You have to do MCA. BCom computer science, you are try to complete MCA. 2 years MCA is there. Try to do that. Okay, guys. See you all tomorrow. I will give you plan tomorrow. By end of tomorrow class, you'll get full-fledged idea. Okay. Right. Mohammed Shaif, what is your question, buddy? No, 3 months.
I got admits from universities and I don't have that much time.
Attend online. Remaining course, 1 month course, attend online.
Online it is 1 month.
It's a full-fledged course is 3 months, either offline or online. Okay, na? So now, how many days you can come to online? Come. I mean, offline.
Then I can.
Later, you can shift to online and you can join from. Okay, na? మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి.